given that there is a recession on the horizon, how can we take advantage of that? What are the opportunities that a recession presents to us? Okay, well, during any recession, there's two things that do very, very well during a recession. Little cheap luxury items always do well in recessions, okay? So things to make you feel better that cost not much money, lipstick and things like that, always do well during those periods of time. Kids' toys, so things like for your kids, if you're a parent, you know yourself, you're going to put your kids first. Doesn't matter. You'll starve so your kids can eat. Absolutely, always in recessions. So that's the necessity level, yeah? So that's one place you ought to consider selling. The other place is in the segment of the market what doesn't give a shit if there's a recession. That's the luxury end of the marketplace. And in all recessions, the luxury end, the top 10% end, always does very, very well. They always outperform. So if I was going into this recession looking at what products I would be selling, it would be consumable products that are a necessity to have. It would be very, very small, cheap luxury items, lippy, chocolate, that sort of shit. Or at the other side of the table, I'd be going right to the top end of the market that doesn't give a shit if there's a recession. They're already rich. A recession doesn't really affect them, So what's interesting is at the bottom end of the market, nothing really changes for those people. They've got a job. The job doesn't really, the amount of money they're bringing in every week doesn't really change, okay? And they continue to buy the necessities that they require. That doesn't change. At the top end of the market, well, they don't give a shit. They've got money, they've got property, they've got shares. All these things benefit from inflation and they're in the recession. So they don't give a shit. They continue to bend. It's the stuff in the middle that really suffers. The middle class really suffers during these recessionary periods. And that's where you want to avoid if I were you.